Hello, everyone. Today, we're breaking down how Chase Freedom Unlimited cashback works in 2025. With this card, you earn 1.5% unlimited cashback on all purchases, so every dollar you spend earns rewards. Plus, you get bonus cash back on dining and travel booked through Chase Ultimate Rewards. One of the best features is its flexible redemption options. You can redeem your cash back as statement credits, gift cards, travel, or even transfer points to other Chase Ultimate Rewards cards for even more value. The card also comes with no annual fee, making it perfect for everyday spending. And for new cardholders, there are introductory perks such as 0% APR on purchases or balance transfers in some cases. In short, Chase Freedom Unlimited is a simple, versatile cashback card that works for beginners and seasoned spenders alike. If this helped, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more credit card tips and